Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ada. I'm a Potaka YouTuber and I'm based in Nigeria. Yeah, welcome to my first health tutorial video. Yes, welcome to my foodie video. All right, in today's video, if you follow me on this channel, you will understand that I do lifestyle, I do vlogs, and I do health related videos as well as tutorials. So in this video today, I want to teach you the easiest healthy breakfast anyone will tell you about, and that is called egg muffins. If you have children who don't like eating eggs and you're looking for the best way to incorporate eggs into their meals, I think you should try out the recipe. It's also good for it's good for weight loss. It's good for eating clean and healthy. I've tried this recipe several times and it always comes out a hit. It's so colorful, it's so beautiful, and it's always yummy and delicious. So let's get started. First thing you will need is your eggs, which is the basic of this recipe, your spring onions and your chopped pepper, your spinach, which will give it that green and healthy effect, chopped onions, vegetable oil or olive oil or coconut oil of your choice. Then you will also need your tomatoes. I love using tomatoes because it makes it look very colorful and different. It gives it that appetizing look. Basically, these are just all you need to. So let's get started.